In this video, we're going to look at the normal distribution and specifically inverse normal. So we know from our normal distribution formula that we've got z equals x minus mu divided by sigma, the standard deviation. So you need to make sure you've got a value, your mean, and your standard deviation to find the probability. In inverse normal, it actually gives you the probability of x. So it gives you your solution, and it's actually missing one of x, the mean or the standard deviation. So we're going to look at those three examples. So the easiest way to solve any inverse normal problem is actually using the z table and the formula. It can be used using the graphics calculator, using the inverse function if the thing that you are missing is x. However, in the z table, it's just as simple. You locate the probability of x that you get given in the z table and identify the z value to 3 decimal places. So you must make sure you're using the differences column. You then rearrange your formula to find that x is equal to your z value multiplied by your standard deviation, subtracting your mean, and you just substitute in the values to solve for x. You should note that z will be negative if your x value is below the mean. If we're to find the mean, so the mean is the thing that they have not given us and would like us to find, we're going to use the probability of x in the z table. This is going to be the same for every step. So we must remember to use the differences column to get the 3 decimal places. Rearrange our formula to find the mean is equal to the negative value of z times the standard deviation minus the x value, and we just substitute in the values. Remember that your value will be multiplied by -1. So if your x value is below the mean, your z value will be negative, and it will all come out being positive in the end. To find the standard deviation, so we're given the probability of x, the mean, and the x value. However, we're missing our standard deviation, and I'd like us to find it. Using the probability of x, again, find your z value to 3 decimal places and rearrange the formula with the standard deviation being equal to x minus the mean divided by a z, remembering that z will be negative for x values that are below the mean. So the inverse normal distribution is all about rearranging the formula just to find the value that has been missing.